Good students, today I will teach you about integration of some standard function by substitution method. Okay student, here but before it some important questions I have taught you in serial number 8, 9, 10, 11. But today some important question I will teach you in serial number 12. Standard function by substitution method. Okay. Here in first case first, integration of tan x dx. Integration of tan x dx. Okay. Solution for this: integration of tan x dx. Integration of tan x dx. Let in this case we write here sin x upon cos x dx. Okay student, and here in this case put cos x is equal to t. Okay, differentiating its both sides, then we get here d upon dx cos x, d upon dx t. Okay, and here d upon dx cos x minus sin x is equal to dt upon dx, and here sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Can write here. Okay, and here on sin x dx we write on this place, and here therefore integration of minus dt upon cos x t. Okay, here we write minus integration of 1 by t dt, here equal to minus log t, and integrative constant c. Add here minus log t is equal to cos x plus c. Okay, this is the answer. Means integration of tan x dx is equal to minus log cos x plus c, which is answer. Okay student, this is very important question, or we can also write this in this case, or here also write it log sec x plus c, which is also answer. Can write it integration of tan x dx, we can write minus log cos x plus c, or we can write is equal to log sec x plus c. It's a opposite. Okay student, after this in second case we write here second case here integration of cot x dx, here write its cos x upon sin x dx. Okay, here put, in this case put sin x is equal to t, differentiating both sides with respect to x. Then we write here d upon dx sin x is equal to d upon dx t. Okay, d upon dx sin x is cos x is equal to dt upon dx. We write here cos x dx is equal to dt. Okay, student. Then we write here integration of cos x dx. On this place we write dt 1 upon sin x t. Okay, integration of 1 by t is equal to log t and integrative constant c at. Okay, here log t sin x. Okay, therefore integration of cot x dx is equal to log sin x plus c. Answer. Okay, student. Next problem I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, student. Thank all of you.